To start assembling these posts and beams. Beautiful cold morning here in southwest Georgia, getting ready to put our plates on. They're a 3/16 plate steel. He powder coated them for us. Every one of them is exactly the same. When I mean they're exactly the same, when you put it on a CNC machine, all the holes line up. So that when we get ready to drill our holes through the wood, put our bolts in, everything's in one nice solid line. To get started, we're going to take these plates, line them up. We've already got our sawhorses set up with all of our big beams ready for these vents to be put together. And we've got everything as level as possible. We've got our tie beam ready. We've cleaned it all off, got the sawdust off of it. Now we're fixing to cut our angles. One thing that's always fun about math is everything's based off 90 degrees. With a 612 pitch, minus 90 gives us this angle right here, which is 63.5. So we're able to cut this 63.5 angle on here to make everything fit perfectly. Got our first bit raised in place. We've got it tied to our pillar block out here. We've got it leveled off pretty dang good in my book. You can see now how this thing's put together, how we install our plates, how it all works with the unit. Now we're going to brace this off so that it's rigid, and we'll just keep doing this until we get at 1,800 give or take pounds a piece. It takes a machine like this, a telehandler, for us to be able to pick up these vents and place them down on top of our pillars safely. If you could just be here to see it, 8 inches, 6 inches, even the knee braces are 6x6s. The thing is built like an absolute tank. That's one of the things we love about timber framing, post and beam, putting metal plates for the posts and beams, or doing the timber framing and driving wood pegs in. It's exactly what we like here at Old South Barnes. We absolutely love what